Alright guys, we are back for episode 2. Now today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set up your workspace. So, first thing that you're going to want to... Oh, great. Okay, first thing you guys are going to want to know to do is set up your workspace, because you can't go ahead and start coding if you don't have a workspace to code in. So, we're going to go ahead and click New, Package, and this package is going to be com. Now, I'm going to do this because I have a website. You guys probably do not have a website. But I'm going to do mc.powerzonegames and com.mc.powerzonegames, and then you do, is it www? Right?
It's from it's from back to front.
And then back to front, so that means this MC is at the other side.
Yeah.
MC dot. Alright, and then dot the mod.
Wait, why do you have www there? That goes... You don't need that. No one adds that.
Alright, whatever. And then your mod name. Our mod name is going to be tutorial mod, so TUTMOD. Tutmod. And you can click finish. And inside of there, you're going to go ahead and click New Class and name this. I'm going to call it TUT Mod, and this is basically our main class. If you're new to coding, you won't really understand what a main class is. Some coders just name this main. I do. Main. Oh, do you do TUT Mod main?
It doesn't. This is your mod class, so I just call it tut mod and get rid of the M. You can add main or not. This is your. Yeah. This is This name doesn't matter. Okay.
This name, it really doesn't. I used to just call it main, but that isn't really.
Then it got confusing.
That accepted. So go ahead if you want. Do TUT mod and or TUT mod main. Sometimes there is more TUT mod classes that you're gonna have, so it could get confusing.
Quick question, TJ. What's this mod gonna be about?
A tutorial mod.
Yeah. Okay. I'll make you the textures. I'm gonna make the block now.
So now what we're going to want to do, just before I forget, projects presentation hierarchical, and same as top level elements, the package presentation hierarchical. Now we can go ahead and click New Class, and this is going to be our item manager. I suggest naming it item manager because that's just really easy. If you could do TUT mod items, that would be a little bit better.
You can't. Well, then do it. You're an idiot.
TUT mod items. I would suggest doing that, but it really doesn't matter. Now, what I would do in here is dot init, because that's just the way me and Elknon have started. Like, it's
you need post initialization, and pre-initialization.
So we do init for all of the stuff that goes inside of the initialization thing. I'll show you guys what that is here in just a second. So as well, we're going to click on this and click New. I right-clicked on TUT mod items, although it didn't. It's supposed to do that. Cancel. Just go ahead, right-click on init. Don't do that because it would have hierarchy, or it would have made the enclosing type TUT mod items. Wouldn't have made good. TUT mod. Now you do blocks and click finish. Now you have both your blocks, your items, and TUT mod main. Now we are going to add another class in PowerZoneGames the TUT mod package, and this is going to be named reference. Me and Duckknown learned this from Mr. Crayfish. If you've ever watched and or heard of Mr. Crayfish, his furniture mod, he uses a reference class. It's very easy and very, all that other stuff. I suggest using a reference.
And all that other stuff.
Now, one last thing we're going to do is make a new package and name it .proxy. And click finish. Now inside of that proxy, we'll get to that stuff here in a few, but you can go ahead and close all of these besides tutmod main. Click enter a couple times, and does it extend this? I don't think it extends. It did in 1.7, I can't remember if it does in 1.8.
Why would it change?
Like, no, does public class tutmod extend Java plugin?
This isn't plugin.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and start typing some things right off the bat. Now, first things we're going to start typing is at the top, is it capital M-O-D, and then parentheses. Now, you're going to type in mod ID, space equals space, and then quotes, comma space, and version. Oh, first mod name, space equals space, quotes, comma space, version, space equals space, quotes. Now, I just put those quotes there so that way it wouldn't give us the error, but we are going to go to reference.java now. So inside of reference.java, we are going to press enter a couple times, and right here we're going to start typing public static final string, capital S, and I misspelled public. Why is... Alright, string. Now, for this string, we are going to type in mod ID. I would capitalize the first one. That's how I do it. Uknon, he capitalizes it all, and yeah, there's different ways to do it. Now in here, you're going to type in tutmod and or your mod ID. Make sure this does not have caps. I have done this a couple times. Make sure it does not have caps. It's really, really bad when it has caps. Alright, so now, instead of these quotes here for mod ID, we're going to do reference dot mod ID. Reference dot, where is it? I didn't, did I misspell reference? No, huh. Alright. Dot. Why is this wrong? I don't know. Reference dot control D. We'll just mod ID. Alright, that worked. Now we can go ahead and copy this line. Oh, control Z. Control copy, control paste, and control paste. Now, these two ones we are going to do mod name and then mod version. Now, for mod name, you could keep it tutmod or you could change it to tutorial mod. I suggest doing that because that is the actual thing that it reads in the mod screen on the main menu. I'd do that. Okay, and then mod version, we are going to do 0.0 because, well, we obviously haven't come anywhere with our mod. Alright, we are going to then copy reference and go over here where it says mod name, reference, and paste it, and then dot, and it's going to do this again. Mod name. That works. So apparently it doesn't like us trying to import things ourselves. That's really annoying. Mod version. Control save, and what is wrong with this?
Oh, there's no, you don't add semicolons.
I didn't add a semicolon. Huh, that's weird.
Or maybe you do add semicolons. Wait, what are you trying to import? It's not importing.
That's package. That's the package. Doesn't like the package. Syntax error on token. Expected after this token.
Oh, did you do at mod?
No. Alright. So where it says mod, do at mod. Got it. Import mod. And now you have the imports, you have the package, and you can click Control Save. Now, here where it says mod name, that is supposed to be just name. Yeah. Just name. Alright, control save.
You're welcome. I'm gonna check by every once in a while because...
Yeah, good idea. Alright, so now in public class Qt mod main, we are going to go ahead and type at, and then it is, let me remember, I can't remember. Alright, whatever. We're going to go ahead and start typing public void pre init capital I in parentheses fml all capitals p capital re initialization capital I initialization. I don't want to misspell it, but if I do, it's okay. Then you type in event space event, lowercase event that time. Alright, and you have to import, I think. Yep, import. Now, squiggly brackets, and we are good. It needs an at, but I can't remember what at it needs. Which at does it need, Unknown?
Override?
Oh yeah, at override. At override. Just like that. Now, you're gonna have to import at override. Create an... Wait, what? Oh, it's probably not cap on. Yeah. It's not at override. Huh. Well, apparently you don't need it. Alright. Go to a new line. We'll do public void in... I suggest doing capital in it. You really shouldn't, but I suggest doing it because it just makes...
Right. You really shouldn't, but I suggest doing it.
Alright. I'm not going to do it. Although, I would do it if, say...
Holy... Whoa... This is what I'd call a glitch.
You want me to look at your screen?
No, but this is what I'd call the glitch block. This is what it actually is. Oh, what the heck? What happened to the colors? I'm just gonna keep that like that.
I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing
that actually sort of looks cool. Trail?
Alright, now, one last public that we gotta add is public void post lowercase p initialization, or post init, and that is capital I fml post initialization event space event, and some more squigglies, and then we must import. I like going over and I misspelled it. Change to FML post initialization event. Now that's what happens if you misspell it, and it auto adds it if you misspelled it as well. Alright, so now at the top here it is at cited proxy. At cited proxy. Oh wait. I'm thinking about... Alright, I need to think just a second. Think. Go open my other mod. That's how I think. I'm questioning it. How do you do cited proxy?
Import it?
I mean, import cited proxy, then you do this, and then maybe it's just cited proxy, not at cited proxy.
No, it's that.
Oh, wait. Then I'm thinking about proxy.
That's cool and all, but no.
Alright, well, first, in reference, we have to set up the proxies. So, public static final string. And I'm just going to copy this little bit of code right here and paste it a couple times. That way, bad things don't happen. And we go ahead and type in... Oh, we don't need 3 of them, by the way. We type in... That's why I opened it, but then I closed it because you were trying to explain it, but I forgot. I don't know how you do the cited proxy stuff. Like, I can't remember. Now we have my actual mod open. We have to check this because I am a little bit of an idiot and I can't remember. Oh, yeah, that's not one of my mods anymore. Okay. Can I file? Yeah, whatever. I'll open another. I'm sorry, this is the part of the video. I had one last time that I just got confused, and I'll have one this time, and I'll have one next time, and I'll have them. There are those moments when you just can't remember the next step, and although I should remember it, I've done this so much, I just can't remember it. Okay, it's loading all of its magical stuff in the mod. Keep loading. Hurry up and load faster. Alright, I have tons of things open. Alright, closed. We open Minecraft, go to sources, we go to this. Then proxy, client proxy and common proxy is that, but where is, here it is. Alright, public side, right here, @sided proxy, and control copy. I'll show you guys how you type that here in just a second, but I'm going to copy it first. Alright, so, right here, control paste. Alright, so, you type in @sided proxy, client side, equals. Now, in here we're going to do reference.client proxy, so, go ahead and type that in. Then over here, inside of our reference, we're going to go ahead and type client proxy, and for that, we need to put inside of client proxy com.TJGames. Just a second. com.powerzonegames.mc mc.tut then you go proxy common proxy or client proxy and control save. Now that should be perfectly fine. Now we're gonna go ahead inside of parentheses over here, common server side capital S equals reference dot common proxy, and then that will end that off. We're going to come back over here and then control paste common proxy and copy the thing we just put up there. Oh,
I don't want to write
copy and control paste, so that way you have com.powerzonegames. All that stuff. Now,
Oh,
yeah.
excuse me.
Jeez, alright. Also, you're gonna put in common proxy there. Now, control save and control save. Now we need to create class common proxy and client proxy. Inside of proxy, new class client proxy, and then one more class called common proxy.
She doesn't ask
You have really bad
me.
background noise.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, common proxy. Then you go ahead, click finish, and then client proxy or one of the two extends the other. Client proxy. Alright, client proxy extends common proxy. So client proxy, and here you're going to go ahead and type in extends space
Just go watch Mr. Crayfish.
common proxy. What? No, don't leave. I put on your advertising in my video. I don't approve of that.
Or check out powerzonegames.com.
Yeah, whatever. Do that. Alright, so now, inside of common proxy, we're going to put this stuff in. I will explain. First, you do @override. Public void. Well, we're gonna save that part for a little bit. I lied. Alright, so you have extends and you have doesn't extend. We're going to save, and then here where it says common proxy, import common proxy. Now, control save, and we should be all good. Now we are going to go over to init and tutorial mod items. This is part of the fun. Alright, so first thing we are going to do is we're just setting up to the workspace still. Although I shouldn't do this in the setup video. No, you know what? It's getting pretty long. We will go ahead and do items next episode. I will go over how to make yourself a beautiful item, like whatever ore Aknone's gonna have, and I will show you guys how.
It's almost done.
Okay.
So
I'll show you guys how to make it. I'll show you guys how to set it up, and we will be able to start our mod next episode. You can actually start it right now, and this is what happens. I'm gonna start it, and then as soon as this happens, I'll show you guys what happens, and then we'll end the episode off. So it's gonna take a moment, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, so this just popped up. You gotta click public networks such as those. You gotta click both of them and allow access. That just makes it so Eclipse can use the internet, but it should be bad. And that's gonna take a long time to load, isn't it?
TJ.
Well, whether that takes a long time to load or not, I'm gonna go to. Oh, jeez. Huh?
Guess what?
What?
I think something didn't work right in your mod.
Why did it load 3 of them? Why? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And don't ask me, I have no idea.
I
Oh,
might-
also the item, is that alright if it makes completely no sense whatsoever? Good. Because that is this item.
I'm gonna pause, and as soon as we can get Minecraft open, I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, we have Minecraft open. Does that. I forgot that. Alright, well, options, video settings.
Why is it black?
Yeah, because full screen turned on Minecraft. So, go ahead, get out of settings. Alright, so in mods, we have tutorial mod.
Wow,
You'll see
bloody
version
children.
0.0, and it has the tutorial mod name that we gave it. The mod state is available, and the mod information file. We do have an mc.mod file, but we have not put anything inside of it. So I will show you guys what to do with that. We're going to quit game and make that loud, crazy sound go off. And we will see you guys in the next episode.